Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella for those of you who don't know, and today we outside. Alright guys, so I went on a little staycation and I'll just show you guys around. I'm just chilling on the beach today, so let's go. Now, if you're new here on Just Nella, we do travel vlogs, we do lifestyle advice, and medical content, and 1 or 2 story times, and hauls. Lots and lots of hauls. Now, if any of these are things that you're interested in, then hit the like button and don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe as we continue to grow our family together. Now, in today's video, we are going on a road trip. But before we start the video, I want to give a shout out to my subscriber of the day, who will be linked right here. Thank you so much for your continued support, and I appreciate you. I love you. You the best, you the baddest, you amazing, and let's get into the video.
Hello? Where we at? Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!
Now, one of the benefits of living on a tropical island are a lot of beaches, but since, it's been locked down, I have to, go on a little mini staycation because, apparently the government doesn't want to progress, but progress never stops. So, I'm going to show you guys around the place and you guys can check it out if you're interested. Now, let's get into the video. Oh, one more thing before I go. Thank you for your unconditional support. You guys have been so amazing as we continue to grow together. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend. And all of you guys just continue subscribing, continue support. Let's get us to 1,000 people. Alright guys, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so here is my home away from home for the weekend. The Boardwalk Village. Here are your signs, your public health alert. I already got temperature checks and sanitized at the gate. You didn't see all of that. Same old, same old. I hear music, so there are parts where I will not be speaking and the video is probably going to cut off. Alright, here we have a little pond. It's a turtle pond. See if I see any turtles in there. Or we can hide it. Maybe they'll come out one day, or maybe they come out at a particular time. But here it is, and see some nice mangoes on the tree. Yes, Lord. Trying to be as steady as possible, but you know. So all the little villas are color coded, and then you have the restaurant over here. Showers. And let's go to my place. You know my place, the beach. We have some. Hey guys, how you doing? We out here. We outside. So I got a little hungry and decided to get some breakfast. I got French toast with a side of fruit and ham and some orange juice. A very simple breakfast, but delicious nonetheless. All right, let's eat.